We live in a big world with so much to see. Like this place, and this. Oh, and how about these? Places you can swim in, sit by, hike on, or ride over. Ever thought about walking here or diving here? Well, what if you could pay less and travel more? And with the money you save, watch more of this, rent more of these, and take these guys to more places like this. Now you can. Welcome to Zen Travel, where you can travel like a millionaire without putting a strain on your budget. As a member of our exclusive travel club, you'll be able to stay at premier locations like this and this, at prices that are up to 85% below other advertised vendors. How does it work? It's simple. Zen Travel is an online, membership-based travel club where members get access to wholesale pricing on premier accommodations around the globe. We buy in bulk and then pass the savings on to you. So, over time, when you want to go here or here, it doesn't break this. Like Jim, who stayed here for only $39 a night. Or Lisa, who just had to have this place, saved over $430 by using Zen Travel's EasyBook system. And that's not even the best part. As a member, you can also use your exclusive discount code to help Dad, Mom, or Cousin Bernie save a few bucks too, while you get paid a commission on every place they stay. Getting the picture? And it doesn't stop there. We all know that the top two goals on everyone's list are, number one, to have more time freedom, so we can spend that time making memories with those we love. And number two, to build leveraged income, the kind that pays you, whether you're working here, or here. Income that allows you to travel the world and visit the places you've been dying to see. Well, at Zen Travel, you can have both. Whether you want to be a travel club affiliate who just wants incredible discounts on travel, or a travel club affiliate that wants to build a powerful income stream by tapping into the largest and most lucrative industry on the internet, Zen Travel is where your dreams can come true. If you're looking for part-time, full-time, or walk-away income, become a travel affiliate today and be part of a revolutionary new concept in affiliate marketing. Be part of an incredible team with access to automated marketing and sales tools and world-class support and mentoring. If you're ready for the adventure that pays you to have fun, then get registered today and let Zen Travel take you places you've only dreamed about. Zen Travel. Your adventure starts now.